I make homemade plum juice without sugar and preservatives. I washed 2 kilos of plums, and first I will remove the pits. I put the plums in the pot. I pour 2 liters of water. When the water boils, I boil the plums for 15 minutes. I want the plums to soften. After 15 minutes, the plum has softened, and now I will grind them in a blender. Write me in the comments, from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I return the ground plums to the water in which they were boiled. If you want the juice to be thinner, you can add water. I will not add water. I will add the juice of 1 lemon. Now is the time to add sugar if you want. I will not add sugar. I add the natural sweetener stevia, 2 spoons. Stevia has 0 calories and does not raise blood sugar levels. I will stir. When the juice boils, I will cook for 15 minutes. I prepared sterilized glass bottles. I sterilized them in the oven for 30 minutes at 100 degrees Celsius. I sterilized the lids in boiling water for 15 minutes. I pour hot juice into bottles. Close the bottles immediately while they are hot.
І так,
Store the juice in a dark and cool place until use. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.